Welcome to my short video of this rare factory crafter. It's a long wheelbase, it's a Trendline, it's a front wheel drive and it's a window van. It's a U69 plate and it comes fully VW approved. It also comes with a 140 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine with an 8-speed automatic gearbox. It also comes in candy white. And now for a quick walk around the vehicle. To the front of the vehicle, it comes with front assist with emergency city braking. It also comes with front fog lights. This crafter comes with 16-inch steel wheels. It also comes with side marking lights on both sides of the vehicle. It also comes with a near side sliding door with a side opening window inside the sliding door. To the rear of the crafter, it comes with rear wing doors with 270-degree hinges. It also comes with rear parking sensors. This crafter also comes with Mudflaps. And now for a quick look inside the vehicle. Interior comes with 2 comfortable seats in Austin cloth. It also comes with some handy armrests for more comfort on long journeys. This specific crafter comes with a flat bottom steering wheel. This is ideal for ease for getting in and out of the vehicle. It also comes with cruise control functions on this side of the steering wheel. This specific crafter has covered 6,791 miles. It also comes with an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system with a system called App Connect. It also comes with DAB radio. This crafter also comes with air conditioning. And now for a quick look at the back of the vehicle. The rear load area comes with plenty of space. It's also clean. Just like to show you the 270-degree angles of the doors. To show the angles from the side loading door. If you'd like more details on this vehicle, please call 0121 260 3000 and a member of our sales team will be able to answer your questions either by email, telephone or by a personalised detailed video. And thank you for your time.